Hello guys, today I'm going to show you on how to disable and enable the unknown source installation on any Xiaomi mobile so that you can install black application you want on your mobile. First, click on settings, then scroll down, click on additional settings. Under the additional settings, let's scroll it down again and click on privacy. Under the privacy, let's scroll it down and click on special app access. Under the special app access, you will find here the install unknown apps. So here, install unknown apps. You can click here, then it will load. Then you can see where you are not allowed to install application here. You just enable here by clicking like this, then enable. You can now install the app that you download on your mobile. That's it guys. Let's go back.